Let's make some Matar Pulao. Take some oil in a pan. Add a teaspoon of cumin seed. Cumin seeds have crackled a little bit. Add one sliced onion. Fry the onion until light brown in color. You see the onions are just slightly brown on the sides and we don't need to fry them anymore. Add one chopped tomato. Mix this. A teaspoon of coriander powder. A teaspoon of red chili flakes. Splash of water so you don't burn the spices. Now cook this for a minute until the tomatoes are soft. Once the tomatoes are soft, add a cup of green peas. I'm using frozen green peas. You can use the fresh ones as well. Mix them in. 2 cups of rice, I'm gonna add 4 cups of water. For 2 cups of rice, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt. You can adjust this according to your taste. Now we have to cook the green peas. Once they're soft, we're gonna add the rice. Now I'm gonna add the rice. Since I'm using the frozen green peas, they cook really fast. Mix the rice. Cook on medium-high heat until the water is reduced. You see the water reduced to this level. Sprinkle a little bit of garam masala on top. Place some green chilies. Cover and cook on the lowest heat for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. You can see perfect rice.